Hey everybody, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and I'm sharing this standing yarn roller by Loop and Thread. It's a Michael yarn stand holder. It can be like a workstation, a yarn holder, and I'll show you how it works. This here, you can adjust it. That can be adjusted, and these here come off. That way you can put your yarn up there, and then that one there comes off too. You put your yarn up there. Just try to squeeze it on the end here. Alright. Oh, I got that in there. Put it on there like that, and then just tighten this up. You can put more yarn back here. You can put more yarn there, and it's got like a compartment where you can hold your scissors and your crochet hooks. And that's the way it looks. You can put more on this side. And this is, you can get this at Michael's. And I'll see how much it is now. Right now at Michael's, it is $27.99. And that's what it's called, Standing Yarn Roller by Loop and Thread. And I'll show you what I like about it. You can put your yarn up here, and you can sit on your couch, and you can keep your yarn nice and tidy while you crochet on the couch. And this is shown on the website. It's a standing yarn roller by Loop and Thread, and you can get it at Michael's. What I like about it is you can crochet while you're sitting on the couch. You can keep your yarn tidy and easy to work with for crocheting and knitting projects using this stand yarn roller from Loops and Thread. The sliding clasp design allows you to adjust the width to accommodate various sizes of yarn, and even feature a storage tray to hold additional yarn and accessories. And they got it in white. It's easy to assemble, and it's adjustable height. It's a weighted base, and it's plastic and steel. The base is like heavy, and it's weighted, so that way you won't have to worry about it tipping over. And I really like it. Okay, and it's nice, and you can store your yarn on it for crocheting. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.